Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Chopra. Welcome back to another episode of Around the World. Former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee once said, "You can change your friends, but not your neighbors." And this statement perfectly reflects India's geopolitical reality, as India is surrounded by neighboring countries with whom its relations have been marked by ups and downs. One such neighbor is China. Over the years, India has faced a tense situation with China along its border. Despite several rounds of talks, the issue remained unresolved. However, just before the BRICS summit, both countries reached an agreement on border patrols which could pave the way for disengagement. Additionally, after 5 years, bilateral talks took place between Prime Minister Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping at the BRICS summit. Following this, India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh attended the ASEAN Defense Ministers Meeting Plus Forum in Vientiane, where he also met the Chinese Defense Minister. Now, the obvious question arises, are India-China relations normalizing? And what impact will India-China relations have on the global stage? In today's episode, we will discuss these questions. India and China, both located in South Asia, share a border that stretches 3,488 kilometers. This border passes through Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Along with this geographical boundary, the two nations also share a cultural heritage. As far back as the 2nd century BC, the southern branch of the Silk Road connected the cities of Xi'an in China and Patliputra in India. During the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd centuries, several Buddhist pilgrims and scholars traveled this historic Silk Route to China. And these centuries-old ties continue into the modern era. However, since the 1962 war, relations between the two countries have been tense. Although both nations often stand together in various global forums, including the SCO and BRICS. For the last 4 years, tensions have persisted at the India-China border, and despite multiple rounds of talks, the issue had not been resolved. However, just before the BRICS summit, the two countries reached an agreement on border patrols. Following this, a warming of relations was seen, and bilateral talks were held between Prime Minister Modi and Xi Jinping after 5 years. The interaction didn't end there, as the Defense Minister of India met his Chinese counterpart, and both leaders discussed strengthening ties with mutual interest in mind. According to experts, there are several reasons for the changing dynamics of India-China relations, one of which is the results of the US presidential elections. Donald Trump, having defeated Kamala Harris, was elected President of the US and has previously indicated his strict foreign policy against China. Thus, improving relations with India seems to be one of the few viable options for China. Currently, India is emerging as a major market on the global stage, which is increasing its significance. Additionally, the Indo-Pacific region has gained importance and China faces significant opposition in the region. Australia, Japan, the US, and India have united for the development of this region, creating a group called the Quad, which China sees as a threat. Furthermore, China's economy is faltering. According to the World Bank data, China's economy grew at a rate of 5.0% in the first half of 2024. But the growth rate slowed in the second quarter and the development remained uneven. Sluggish domestic demand contributed to low inflation, while weak business confidence, partly due to the ongoing downturn in the property market, has reduced economic activity. Growth is expected to decline further, with forecasts suggesting a reduction from 5.2% in 2023 to 4.8% in 2024. In this context, Donald Trump is expected to reimpose heavy tariffs on imports from China during his second term, just as it did during his first. Faced with these challenges, China sees improving ties with India as its best option. According to trade data, China is one of India's top trading partners, and both countries share several global platforms. Amid the tension with Western nations, the importance of these regional organizations grows. According to international analysts, if relations between India and China normalize, there will certainly be a significant shift in global geopolitics. The two countries could successfully challenge Western nations together, and their partnership could give new direction to the global south on the international stage. According to recent media reports, Russian President Vladimir Putin is expected to visit India soon. This will be Putin's first visit to India since the Russia-Ukraine war began in February 2022. Earlier this year, in July, Prime Minister Modi visited Moscow for the 22nd India-Russia Annual Summit. Additionally, Russia's first Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov also visited India recently and held significant discussions with Indian leadership on bilateral and global issues. According to recent reports, the most expensive passport in world is Mexico's, which cost $230.85 US or rupees 19,481.75 for a 10-year validity. On the other hand, the United Arab Emirates has the cheapest passport globally. The cost of obtaining a UAE passport is only rupees 1,400. The Indian passport, which cost rupees 1,524.95 for a 10-year validity, ranks as the second cheapest passport in the world. In the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, which has been continuing for more than 2 years, new developments are emerging regularly. Recently, Russia launched an intercontinental ballistic missile attack on Ukraine. In response, Ukraine targeted Russian territories with an US-made ATACMS missile and a British-made Storm Shadow missile. So viewers, as we conclude this discussion, let's note today's question. What impact could harmonious India-China relations have on the global geopolitics? Analyze. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.